How's it going, guys? Just continuing on, working back here down on the passenger door now. For those of you that this is the first video, what we're working with is STEK DYNOprism color changing, self-healing paint protection film. Again, this is the first time that I've really ever worked with it. I've had some samples that I worked with a little bit. Comes with a 7-year warranty. This particular film comes with 7 years. Some of the others, they carry a few different films. Some they carry a black film, they carry a carbon fiber paint protection film, and then just the regular clear self-healing paint protection film. But my customer actually, had seen a video with this particular film and requested it, and so I was excited to oblige. Just because it's something cool, it's something a little bit different, something out of the ordinary from just regular, clear paint protection film, and it's turning out really well. After I get this panel on, I'll run you up the whole side of the car and show you what we've done. And all of the panels have been cut with Expel's Design Access program. Expel's got a phenomenal program when it comes to cutting panels on a plotter with paint protection film. Really really the best out there. But the way the program is, it's nice because it lets you optimize space. If you're cutting more than one piece or more than one kit, you can kind of optimize your space a little bit so you've got less wasted film. Film that goes in the trash can is really unnecessary, especially when you've got a program that's as good as Expel's to cut the film. And again, and I've said it before, a happy customer is a return customer. And if you've got customers that are having to pay too much because they're having to pay for film that's going in the trash bin, they're not going to be as happy as ones that can